You're back with this stupid line. One stupid line. Ask, I got a perfect game for you to play about Florida. So you type FLOWR. You'll find the most coolest game you ever imagined. Now go check that, guys. See you experience. A 1 by 2, a 2 by 4, a 4 by 8, a 8 by 60, a 60 by 20, 64, 64 has 180. One 20, 8. Inside a potato? Ew. Why in the freaking world? Florida just banned me. No, he didn't actually ban me. I remember a YouTuber, he has a bunch of super items, guys. Don't know how they got those. They got banned because the Florida creator never saw him before, but when he saw him, he thinks he hacked this thing. And he got banned. He created a video about Florida banned by account. he was trying to put any of those super materials on them, but it was just not appearing. And when a player appeared, he got kicked from his experience. He got banned from his experience. You're banned. The player's gonna say, "But they got hacked. I worked for months and years to get those." What incarnation is this? It's much more bigger! Hey, Mercury! What? Let me tell you something. Why don't you go to launch it? I don't know. Because somebody have 1,000,000 degrees! Hey Mercury, what? Let me tell us a joke. Why don't you go to college in the morning? I don't know. Because somebody have 1,000,000 degrees. Very funny. Of course I did laugh. I do laugh, but my laugh is cannot be that strong because my core temperature of water will go too high and just clearly make a hole. So, what about me? You shoot sword flames every single time, like a sneeze. But I still have 1,000,000 degrees. I still have 1,000, 10,000. No, not hot, just. Correct words. Okay, you're the hottest planet. Asking the hottest sun of the solar system, the Earth's sun. But there's different stars than that. Like there's the Ultra. I don't know the rest, but there's much more. They are much more stronger. Either the colors, like what colors? White, orange, red. And also suns can turn into supermassive. Explosion, forming that. And that will happen. Yeah, do something. I'm not really depressed about this, guys. I'm doing this because I'm going to buy a plum for them. But I'm not going to become because I want. This looks like my eyeballs, but when I wake up, it's so gross and yummy. Yes, I don't even realize. There's a thunderstorm happening here. Oh, he's a tool. That means the thunderstorm is much more stronger. Now finally we can have some food in this space. How am I nice with friends? Hello? Hello? Well, my time. diseases for them. It gets sick and it's corona. Passes another one. Another one's the corona. And it returns her corona. And the corona can reach a new levels. And can lead to that. How that actually extends you if you have money. You can get the vitamin codes you don't have. Yeah. You wanna go have money. So get scared of the guy. Your mom has money. Woo! I was about to lose my soul about this. What the heck? So just solve that. Sometimes I do that in my rank. Because I'm just kind of like okay, that thunderstorm sound, it was so real. I got 2 eggs. The Yoki slimes eggs grow. The Yoki. When the player comes. You notice you play Minecraft. I said there are some people who like to make videos about Minecraft, and when you leave your dog alone, the dog goes like do their own wretch, but in tiny. The dog gets their own love. The only thing the creator of the game loves about Minecraft is for guys to put new games for free, much cooler. Not those like trash ones. Next, armor for your dogs. Next, add that mob. You can control mobs by saying which mob you want to be. I want to be angry. What happens if you lose a pen? You don't make grades. Grades then means fail. Fail then means no work. No work. No work. No money. No money. No money now. No money now. No food. No food and skinny. Skinny equals ugly. The skinny persons. Dude! Why tarnation this place is so much harder? You saw that? I was going so high up in the sky. Don't you dare eat that! No, I've had no reason. Because I ate onions. Or like boiled onions. Why do you ask me? I think that's you. Easy one. Easy peasy. Wait a second. Wait a second. Shiny Flanker, where are you? Okay, this one's not it. That is a cool revelation. Okay, this thunderstorm screaming, there's a pillbox. Yeah, but it scares the car. The car have a own scare. Can the game make like no emotions to decide, like sad and angry, bored and scared? Ask there's what is scared. And beauty. Asking cuteness. Last straw. Asking last. That's all. That is all the emotions can be there. Oh, almost. I got your first one. Here. Not fucking bad. We're fresh air, fresh beauty, fresh happiness. What's bad is slime he asks. You know I'm really good at remembering things. I don't remember what my mom says. The guy are food. The favor are Poke. What the hell is that? Poking Chingon? No, Poking Chingon. Pony. What does that say, Pony? Pom-pom, like the character from Monsters, like sing, like music song of Monsters, like this, pom-pom, no, pom-pom. When you do this, looks like they're jumping, super happy with this. You. if it's like the volunteers from the beginnings? You notice how to do socializing while keeping your pants upstairs in this hole? What about you? What about you build like a bus driver? What about you build like a bus? What about you build like a bus driver? Why do you build like the bus? Why you are to build like the bus? Why you are to build like the bus driver? Why you build like the bus? Let's go. You already said, I don't know. Let's go family. That means we are going to eat person's family. Thank you. Stupid pig swing. I'm just saying pig swing and silver time. So I'm just being this point on. Why I'm saying pig swing every single time? I am Venus number 2 STD Venus point 2.0. Do I am Venus 2.0? Because I'm just saying every single time that I'm so sorry. Mine. Nobody in my precious food. Carrot slime. A carrot slime that is a slime with a face shaped like a carrot. Beauty. That's gonna be beautiful. Oh yes. Our whole plan is still ready to roll. Get out of the way. That looks like that kid. Because you just got a puppy. This place is kind of weird. Was that something or was that or was that a missed chunk? I think that was a missed chunk. New era unlocked. I don't know. Bonking. Let's go open. It's almost like blue or pink blood. Remember that meme like this? It's the most light or blue or pink variety. Okay, I'm going to freak out. I'm going to like to buy something so I can. Because this gun looks so trash. So I want to upgrade it with some new Nikes. Asking Nikes shirts to be more like cooler. Because this one is trash. I need some Nike shirts to put in like good. Well, let's go get them. You still sleep with your mother so someone asks you still sleep with your mother at the age of 9? I'm sorry, but I do still sleep with my mother sometimes. I asked her to have my talk to bed, but I'm feeling more sleeping kind of more like days in the bed. So I'm like, is this Yoki? Okay, this is okay. I sleep sometimes in my bed, Sam morning. And I think 3 or 4 times I sleep in the bed of my mom. It's like share, but like to a person who is not your friend, that person who is your friend. And also, guys, I finally tasted my first grape in my first time. When they ask, what is a grape? It's one of those purple fruits. Can you just eat it? Activating Tesla's orbs. Where they gonna pick me down? Tesla's successful? Oh, nice. Oh. Okay, it's time to upgrade this guy. Saw that guy. Still zoom that a little bit more. Nice. Yes, look at the slime. Look at the slimes. Oh goodness. Okay, time to bring them up. Where's them? Okay, now turn rock, turn rock, turn rock. The freaking slimes created a wall of freaking spikes in my laboratory. Like a freaking pillar at my house. Oh no, I forgot I left a slime outside. Oh, they're out there. Where'd they get the rats? Bro, stupid. Ringtails, bristle slime, created a floor made of spikes in the floor. But I cannot see it because I was kind of dumb. Yeah, I died. They like created up a pillar. Done. Much more better. Like that. Now the slime's getting food and sussy little bunny. You sussy little bunny. No, I'm not saying with you guys, I'm saying with this guy because of the face. Look. Look at the face. You sussy little bunny. You think you're going to do a mistake? Not in my watch. least I stay in the crowd for 1 minute. Let's go see. I did check the screen because there's so much. That is no, that is not going to come to my for me, that guy's gonna turn off. Yo, look at this cool quality. Look at this. Oh, we got some rain falling going on. You can see the falling? No, you don't. But here we have a rain falling. You can see now the rain of falling. Look. We're having a storm of falling. You can see this little, I think, dots, this yellow dots here, is falling. Kind of sneezing. Two. Sneeze. Oh, I forgot. I need. Okay, let's go see what I can do. Oh, I can buy my first stuff. Current bull, harvester. I don't even know how this is called anymore. I'm just calling it like hamster. More like hamster wheel. Hamster wheel in my truck. I'm gonna get 2,000. Just make short 5 seconds at a time. Buy a corral, I see buy the upgrade of the night thing over there. And of stuff. Mommy milk? I don't like to drink that. Guys, just chill down. Don't need to be angry about. Don't be okay. Sometimes when I look at blackness, yeah, don't blink. Yeah, still looking that spark I was looking for. Everything just starts to turn blacker and blacker and blacker, like I was starting to fall asleep. But when I blink, I'll move my eyes. That pitch black has to go away. It's like something. I don't know why it happens. Like you were starting to have a nightmare, but I think that was too long. My dream is to have 1,000 subscribers just to get money. I need food. I need McDonald's. I want those toys. McDonald's. I want those toys about I got my first Discord account. It's about Fortnite. The second key. Not that one with the R. Well, please don't put in this treasure later. No, wait. He's a Discord shopper. Well, please hide it as a secret and don't tell it to my mom. Okay. Okay, I just looked at Vine Tangle. What in tarnation is fine tank? Let me just look at my map. I didn't read nothing. Because I'm just so lazy. Let's go see how it looks. Nothing changed. Oh! Here. Vines! Looks like flowers. So they give me some. I think what There's another vine spot over there. I'm going to buy that upgrade later. I'm just checking the view. I saw something fly at the sky, like a big fly. But going either more higher, well, it looks like something mellow. Helps fly more upper, like some player just got that. Oh. The vines either move. No. No. Are you serious? See, you click another button that the falling point will start to go faster. Like in real life. That is so sick. Sick and then like really. Sometimes I like to do funny jokes like this. When am I going to get a surprise from this? I feel like I'm going to get a surprise. First I keep saying harvest. That means I can collect it. Or someone look at these tiny things. Whoa! 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 What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? No! What is this? It's a wingtail slime! What is that again? No. It's a slime of... I don't care! It's so cute! It's a wingtail slime, dude! Much more cute than cat slime. The game just make you fall when you move. Like this. I just hear a sound like this. So you put in some more talents like this. What's this sound? You will be a perfect music to play. It will be like this. No, it will be like this. Yes, you added some more talents. Okay, I got only one. Looks like another brothers are not coming. Sorry. I think I'm going to just keep this in my inventory for a long time. Oh my god. They neither touched the hole, but I still got money. How to be unlucky? Just don't lose the lucky materials. There's 2 more slimes left. We got all the plots here, but when I look at the video, it's saying I got all of them. I didn't got all of them. What is gonna be the next slime? Dervish slime? Or crystal slime? Mosaic? You're forgetting to put the red slimes. See, this actually works have a screen. Oh. Nothing changed. Okay. For a second, let me just check the image. Nothing changed. Okay, it's time to sleep because it's my time. I think I've just sacrificed them one spot with the cat, actually Tabby. Rabbit or bunny slimes. Or I just buy the crown. I'm buying the crown. No sacrificing the slimes. In the last game I just sacrificed one of them. I was scratching myself. Look at the wingtail slime. It's like the cutest slime to exist. Oh, the vine has ended, but the pollen rain is still here. Look, there's no vines. Another one, another one. I found another wingtail slime. I'm feeling like a kidnapper. Like a kidnapper, just kidnappers. You ever saw a chair with 3 legs? Actually, with 3 legs. So someone can please ask me post the Discord. Because I want to see is real or not. I'll just make a hole here, like someone sitting to a 3-leg chair and just at the chair just holds it. Yeah, the chair like just start just turning like to circles, just stuffing in the ground. No. Okay, let's go herbs. Yes, it happens. Hold on a second, don't need this much food. And then I accidentally 2 ring tail slimes. Or this game can just give you boots and you can just walk higher. Really? For the nationals, never created like long boots you can use it as like climbing performers. I think still have only like 999 subscribers. You only make $1 a day. What about 1,000? You make $10,000. You make $10 a day. That means you getting 100,000 subscribers. You give a bunch of dollars asking. You give a bunch of dollars. That means 1 trillion subscribers. That means 1 million money. Okay, I don't want that be as weird because that would be a little bit harder to grind money. Actually, that would be perfect for poor persons. They don't have that much subscribers. That would be perfect for persons. See, they don't have that much subscribers. They can start grinding money, go inside of their bank account. or going inside their bank account for mom. For me, their money just goes inside of their bank account of their mom. So your mom doesn't let you buy anything, and make your mom. I just hear a. What's it?